On an egg farm, you're helping to produce and deliver food. This means the handling, preparing, transporting and storage of the eggs needs to be managed very carefully. Everything possible should be done to avoid contaminating the eggs with diseases that can cause foodborne illness. All your tasks that relate to food safety and biosecurity help to keep food safe. It's a legal requirement of anyone working in the egg industry to understand and maintain the best food safety practices. Egg businesses must take steps to ensure eggs are safe to eat. All people involved in egg production must exercise personal hygiene and health practices that do not make the eggs unsafe or unsuitable. This is the law. You have an important role in providing safe food to those living in Australia, which includes your family and friends. This means it's your responsibility to ensure your personal hygiene or health does not impact the safety of the eggs. Each Australian state and territory also has specific food safety and biosecurity requirements. Your farm will have food safety protocols in place which uphold the codes and the state's requirements. If you are not aware of these, ask your supervisor or manager to let you know what they are.